Hi everyone, สบายดีหมดทุกคน Today I'm very happy to share with you the tour to ThatLuang Stupa in Vientiane. ThatLuang Stupa is located 4 kilometers away from the city center, and according to the legend, it mentioned that ThatLuang Stupa was originally built during the 3rd century AD by King Ashoka's missionary, where they entered the Buddha's relics. That's why this is the most important places in Laos. It's a symbol of Laos sovereignty and Buddhist monument. Around the ThatLuang Stupa complex, there are 2 temples remain. This one's called ThatLuang Temple on the left of the stupas, and the opposite side called ThatLuang Temple. Both temples are very well, honored, and they are highly recommended to visit. For dress code before visiting this temple, I advise you to dress modestly. Avoid wearing short sleeves or sleeveless, and you should wear long trousers. Entrance fee for adult is 10,000 kip or $1.2 per person. For children under 7 years old is free of charge. Okay, so I hope you enjoy today's tour. If you have any feedback or recommendation, please feel free to advise. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.